Hey guys, welcome to the Anniston Museum of Natural History. My name is Cheyenne. I am the collections manager here. So today we want to talk a little bit about pollinators because it's actually National Pollinator Week. So pollinators do a lot of things for us. Obviously you think about them in your gardens, you see the bees buzzing around, but a lot of people don't think about the fact that a lot of our food actually comes from pollinators too. So bees pollinate around 3/4 of the food that we eat. So they're more heavy in our agricultural industry, and they contribute billions of dollars each year to that industry. So without bees, we wouldn't have a lot of the things that we love to eat throughout the week, whether it's vegetables or things like strawberries and blueberries. Now, another type of pollinator is, of course, our butterflies, our moths. Those are the ones that you're going to see in your gardens. They help a lot with pollinating the various flowers. But we also have some mammals and avians that are pollinators as well. So things like mice and bats are actually going to help pollinate because when they run around eating different parts of a plant, they get the pollen on their fur. When they land on other plants, they help pollinate that plant. And you also have avians, primarily hummingbirds, that are going to help pollinate flowers because they like to drink the nectar. So when they travel from flower to flower, the pollen comes off of their feathers into the plant and helps pollinate it. Now, a lot of pollinators are facing a lot of problems. So the primary one is habitat loss. We think about our gardens, we see all the pollinators, we may not think about the fact that they're losing their natural landscapes, their uncultivated landscapes. Okay, another thing is they're facing a lot of pests. So sometimes beehives are invaded by different pests and things, and that's a serious problem. They're also facing problems with things like pesticides. So I know when you plant a garden, whether it's flowers or it's vegetables, it's really annoying when you come out and you see all these little holes in the leaves. You've worked really hard, but sometimes that's a little bit necessary. So things like caterpillars actually nest there. So if you want to help out these pollinator populations, you have to be very careful about what pesticides you use. There are natural alternatives if you feel you just have to use them. So you can use things like coffee grounds, certain essential oils. There's lots of information online that you can find about that. You can also help by advocating for land conservation. So make sure that you're looking out for these pollinators in both your gardens and out in the wild. And of course, you can just advocate and push the importance of these animals. So people think about these animals, they think about them as pests. You want to make sure that you inform people that they actually do a lot for us. So thank you guys. I hope you figure out a lot about pollinators this week, learn about everything that they do for us, and thank you for watching.